Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement blower motor that fits the Ford Expedition, F-150, as well as the Lincoln Navigator from mainly 2009 to 2017 model years. So this part installs underneath the passenger side dash, and what this does is this actually provides the airflow for your heating and AC system. So this spins using the motor inside and provides you airflow. If we flip this over, you can see that this is actually going to be secured with 3 screws. You'll remove the 3 screws and this will come out of the bottom of the passenger side dash, and you'll install the new blower motor in the reverse order. There's also a 2-pin electrical connector here where the factory harness plugs directly into, and that provides the power to the motor. Again, the installation is straightforward. You'll remove the factory part, reinstall the new part in the same order. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.